morning children. Welcome back to your VVPSC learning class children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your poem The Snare of English Literature course book. Today I am going to complete your hard words and the 8 lines of the poem of this same chapter. So students, what you all have to do, you all have to complete it in your English literature fair copy children and complete it properly with blue and black pen. Give one line space and write it neatly and nicely. And students, be sure that spelling will be not mistake. Okay. So first of all, you write it properly, then check all the answers, all the words that you have written correctly or not. Okay, students, and you have to learn it also. If you feel any problem to write down the poem or your hard words is not clear, you can ask me in the class group or personally also children. So, let's begin with the hard words and poem. Okay children? Student, as you all know that yesterday I have completed this poem, The Snare. I hear a sudden cry of pain, there is a rabbit in a snare. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. So I have told you in the previous class also that rabbit is crying with pain. Here poet is hearing a sudden cry of pain. There is a rabbit in a snare. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. Means rabbit is in a snare. Snare is a trap by which someone caught an animal. So at this time, poet is hearing some noise, cry of pain, cry again and again, but I cannot tell from where. He is saying that I don't know from where the noise of crying is hearing by me. But I cannot tell from where. He is calling out for aid, crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid. But I cannot tell from where means he is unable, the poet is unable to see the rabbit. He is calling out for aid. This line is for rabbit. He is calling out for aid means help. Crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid. Crying on the frightened air means when someone is crying, means rabbit is crying, then it is air is frightening at this time. Making everything afraid. Surrounding is in afraid. Making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face. And he cries again for aid, and I cannot find the place. Means everything poet is saying that everything is in fear. Wrinkling up his little face means rabbit is small animal, so his little face is shrink. Okay, and he cries again for aid, and I cannot find the place. Again and again he is crying, the rabbit is crying, but I cannot find the place. Poet cannot find the place from where the noise is coming from. And I cannot find the place where his paw is in the snare. Little one, oh little one, I am searching everywhere. Means he is unable to find the rabbit where his paw means pair, is in the snare. Means the trap anybody is for making for catch the animal. Little one, oh little one, I am searching everywhere. And I am searching everywhere. So students, up to this I have completed yesterday. Today I am going to complete the poem. You have to write like this 10 lines of the poem in your English literature fair copy. So mention today's date, that is 6/11/20, poem The Snare, and classwork. I hear a sudden cry of pain. There is a rabbit in a snare. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. Means I hear a sudden cry of pain. There is a rabbit in a snare. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. His here noise of crying is coming from somewhere, but the poet is unable to identify it. But I cannot tell from where. He is calling out for it, crying on the frightened air. But I cannot tell from where. Means noise is coming from where, I don't know. He is calling out for it, means rabbit is calling out for it, crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face. Wrinkling, I have told you in the previous class also that it is shrinking up his little face. So come to the hard words. Hard words you have to write down in the next page. Hard words heading. Poem is The Snare. Today is date 6/11/20 and classwork. First word is sudden. Sudden means it is in hurry. Sudden means achanak. Pain, snare, again, aid, frighten, everything, afraid, wrinkling, paw, one, searching. Here, sudden is achanak. Pain, when anybody is in pain. Snare, a device or trap by which it is used for catch the animals. Again means again and again. You are trying something again and again. Next is aid. Aid is help. Frightened means having fear. Everything is each and everything. Afraid is also a fear. Next is wrinkling. Wrinkling means shrink. Paw means pair. Leg of small animal is paw. One, searching means you find out something. Okay, students. So what you all have to do, you all have to complete it in your literature fair copy and complete it with the help of blue and black pen, and check all the spellings, that spellings are correct beta, and start learning it, hard words and this poem. Okay students. Okay beta, you have to complete it. Today's homework is to learn this hard words and this poem up to 10 lines, and first you write all the poem and this 10 line of the poem and this hard words in your fair copy, and after that you can learn it properly. And if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also. Okay beta, thank you.